Okay, so before we wrap our axe handle, you're going to need a few items. The first one is obviously the paracord. I've got around 9 foot 550 paracord here, which I've singed using a lighter. And you will also need a scissors. Okay, so why would you want to wrap the handle? There are a number of reasons, and the first one may be obvious to you. If you're out chopping wood and you over miss the mark, you can do a lot of damage to the inside of the handle, and you don't want that. Another reason, if you're out shaving wood or making feather sticks, it will give you just a little bit of extra grip, and it looks cool. Step 1, using the static end of the paracord, measure up roughly 2 centimeters from the base of the axe head like this, and then go down the handle roughly to where you want your wrap to end. I'm thinking maybe here. Create a loop like that, and then go back up. So you have something like this, okay? So there's my loop, and I'm going to use the working end to go around the handle of the axe. I'm going to need both hands for this. Use a sheath to protect yourself, okay? So go around the axe head like that, okay, tightly. And once I've got a little bit of grip, I can start securing it in like that, okay? Push up a little bit. That looks okay. Go around again, push up, tight. I might just fast forward this bit, guys. Okay, so I want my wrap to be roughly around here. And now with the working end of the paracord, I'm going to put it through the loop that we created earlier on, like that. Now with the static end, I'm going to pull that working end up into the handle like that, okay? And that shouldn't come out. There we go. It's nice and tight. We're going to cut this bit off. And lastly,